I think that's how I poked that part, because I did it further this time. Normally this part be so tight down.
Blah, 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 blah,
that
blah.
It normally down here that I messed it up. Yeah, you just keep spraying till it get all.
Go ahead and turn around so the camera can see you.
Okay.
That one right there.
Oh.
So they put a face on the lives you up here telling about these spring waves.
That's the picture. Man,
that is recording, man.
So why you tell me fucking?
Because nobody told you to bring your tail over here. Nobody told you to cut that dry off or bring your tail over here.
That's what I take your phone and delete that.
That's what you're gonna do.
Slapping the head back on the head.
You said, am I gonna slap you in the head with it?
I touched it on top of my head. You slapped me in the head with that ponytail. You did that on purpose.
Did I, Mom?
Yeah.
Did I? Or are you just saying that that's what happened?
I think you really did it on purpose.
That's crazy.
You putting your halo back on this?
God, possibly.
It did sound good.
I always be trying to do that little. You know what? This ain't gonna do it, baby hairs. Because I just can't get it right.
So this guy's this is a 110K Ford motor. 110K. So this is a 110K motor, which is almost double to 56K motor. You guys use 56K motor.
I got it on.
Why do you need that tight on you?
Maybe my back is smaller.
Oh no, maybe my breast just ain't too far to be anchored.
Oh my God.
He ain't want to fit. Oh, God.
Oh my God. The dramatics.
No, when I start coughing, you gonna be telling me you put me out again.
Andy. Because you're dramatic.
Nice.
PS4 and Xbox games. Let's take a quick vote. What do you guys think? So, Byron, show of hands. Who thinks this is a product?
But you know one thing?
What about it?
If I look down at myself, I don't see my breasticles in my If I look at a picture,